I'm gonna tell you right now, this is a really promising spot. Dude, this is the most gold I've found. So I just stumbled on something crazy. Cougar tracks. What's going on, guys? This is ProTaz with ProTaz Adventures. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button so you can join me on future adventures to come. Let's get in the video. As you guys could probably hear and tell, it's raining today. We're going back into the backcountry. We're just gonna be strictly prospecting today. We'll see what happens. It's pretty rainy right now. There's a lot of potholes here, so I gotta drive slow, but kind of want to just full send it too, right? Main goal today is to find gold. We're gonna pan for some gold up in the backcountry there. We have about, I'd say 2 miles to drive, and we have 4 miles to bike. But it'll be faster on the bike, obviously. I'm gonna continue driving now, and we're gonna get to our spot, and then I'll show you guys my mountain bike setup. Let's get it. Looks like we had another tree fall. We got ourselves another trailer here that somebody decided to tow. Creepy. It'd be so epic if a bear just jumped out right now and went into the forest. Or a cougar. We've got a bunch of cougars, bunch of bears here, black bears, brown bears. I'm gonna be a little bit off in the deep country here. Gotta make sure I'm protected at all times. We don't know what we can encounter out here, so it's really important to watch your surroundings at all times. All right, I got the mountain bike in here. I'm gonna take it out. The river just sounds like it's running super fast. Oh yeah, all that push. Look at that river, that is fast. So I gotta be careful when I'm out there prospecting. This is definitely gonna be an interesting journey. I got my bag full of stuff, some water bottles. I'm gonna ride in these boots. Hopefully it's comfortable. I'm gonna put my backpack on, get on the bike, and start rolling out of here. I'll try to film along the way, but riding a bike and filming, two different things. It's been a while since I've been on a mountain bike, but it definitely feels good. For those people that mountain bike out there, I know I'm looking at you. I'm ready to go hit up the mountains now after this, because I'll be over my first cycle of riding, and then hopefully I don't throw up. So we'll see what happens, but I'll film it for you guys if it happens. Just cruising up this hill. Oh yeah, I wish I had an e-bike though. That would have been way better, but get my workout in, you know? Not gonna lie, mountain biking's pretty tough. I think I spoke too soon. This is exhausting work. I'm so tired, but I must press on. Surprisingly, I only got off the bike one time to go over a log, but that was it. So things are happening here, things are moving. As soon as you get off the bike, your legs are legit jello, so that's amazing. But I'm back at the waterfall here. Looks like we got more water flow. Oh yeah, zoom in here on that waterfall. So I successfully made it to my spot. It's not too overpopulated with water, so that's great. So happy I got my rubber boots. I am dry. Let's get up on this bank here. So I just stumbled on something crazy. Cougar tracks. We've got some good sized cougar tracks. Some deer tracks. Possibly bear. There's a lot of tracks here for different animals. I don't know what they'd be doing together, but kind of concerning to say the least. I gotta be really quiet. I'm trying to catch a Gatorade. Got one. In all seriousness, we gotta hydrate when we're out here. That's delicious. And my mustache is officially red. That's where I was digging last time. I'm gonna dig all the way up this bank here and potentially pull out the most gold I can find. Either way, if there's no gold, dude, I'm still happy. I adventured out. Look at the scenery out here. Boom. It's nice. All I brought today was a scoop and my 14-inch pan. I don't have my classifier, and I got some water bottles, but I didn't want to carry too much stuff on me when I'm out here, especially when I'm riding a bike. It's kind of annoying, but it's going to be enough to get the job done, I think. So I'm going to pan over and start digging. Let's get some gold. And just like that, we hit some gold. First pan, first piece of gold. Just like that, we have our first piece of gold. I'm gonna grab my sniffer bottle and just sniffer bottle that up. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is a really promising spot. So there's a lot of rocks here. So maybe I'm gonna work a little bit on clearing a path for myself. That way it'd be a lot easier to work here. Otherwise, the more I'm scooping, the more rocks are falling, and it's kind of like working against myself. All right, test pan number 2. Oh yeah, 2 more pieces of gold. Come on, dude. I'm telling you guys, I think I hit the strip. The pay dirt strip is right here. Dude, that is awesome. Look at that gold right there, guys. Look at that one piece. That's a crazy looking piece right there. 2 pans, 2 successful pans of gold. We had 1 flake in the other one, and now we have 2. I'm coming up further up the bank now. I cleared a spot, and I'm gonna continue digging, man. This is so exciting. Digging up a little higher to see how high that gold might have went. Maybe the gold is only here and not high and not low. Got some small shimmer in the black sand, but unfortunately no gold in this pan. So I don't know if that's just like a fluke or what, but I'm gonna continue panning in the middle here to see if I can extract more of that precious gold. Gonna get nice and comfortable here, just lounging. I saw some shimmer up here, no solid pieces. All the solid pieces are 2 feet in this zone right here. So I'm gonna continue digging around, maybe move some more rocks, and see if we can get some more gold. actually a ton of black sand here. So black sand doesn't always mean gold, but 75% of the time, if you see black sand, you're destined to find gold. So I got a full pan here, I'm gonna pan it. Oh yeah, in the black sand, guys. Check this out. Check this out. Take you guys off the stand here. 3 pieces of gold. Woo! Oh yeah. That is so freaking awesome. 3 nice pieces of gold. I told you, there's a tons of black sand here. And typically, when there's black sand, you have a good chance of finding gold. And there it is, in the black sand. That is awesome. I'm pretty excited because I'm finding gold, so I kind of want to juggle. I've never juggled before. Here it goes. Don't laugh. I can't get all 3. All right, back to what we're doing here. Back to the order of operation. We're here to get gold. I just want to remind everybody at home that you don't need to have real knowledge, really. You can get really lucky coming out here and panning for gold. But if you spend like 10 minutes of your time researching online every single day about gold panning, you can come out to any river and be successful. It's all about putting in the time and the effort. So I am a complete beginner when it comes to this stuff, but I'm doing a little bit of research every time, looking at maps, looking at rivers, looking at other people on YouTube, and I'm coming out here and I'm finding gold. I feel like I'm progressing in my gold panning by studying a little more every day, learning, watching different tutorials, and just coming out and trying. So yeah, all you gotta do is commit, come out there and progress. Pan, pan, pan. You just gotta continue panning. Other than this video, majority of the videos I do, I don't just do 7 pans. I do like 20 pans. And out of the 20 pans, I find the best ones that have the most gold, and I show you guys that. But today's video is just crazy because I'm just getting gold left and right in this hole here. And I'm really excited I brought my mountain bike because it would have sucked walking back here. And just like that, we found some more gold in the black sand. Check that out, guys. In the black sand. Take you guys off the stand here. Come on, zoom in. 2 more nice pieces of gold. 1 right there and 1 right there. So I'm gonna do 1 more pan here. I'm gonna call it, but very successful hole. This has to be the most gold I've found in a pan yet. Woo! In the black sand, guys. In the black sand. Dude, I cannot believe it. We just found 4 pieces of gold. Our biggest haul yet. We hit the jackpot here. I honestly feel like Tony Beats from Alaska Gold Rush because I'm getting gold, and for such a beginner to get gold in this kind of quantity is kind of crazy. So this video is crazy, but I'm just so excited, man. Like, I worked pretty hard this week and I had every excuse not to come out today. The rain, whatever. I didn't want to do it because I was super tired, but I did it. I told myself it's worth it, and I'm out here, man. Before I start heading back, I need to get some snacks in me for this treacherous mountain bike ride. We got tomatoes. Look how beautiful and delicious this tomato looks. And we got cucumbers, so really exciting stuff. I got, let's see here. I got a little bag of salt, which I'm gonna salt. Looks like some substance, but trust me guys, I don't do substances, I only do salt. In my culture, we call this zakuska. It's basically like a little snack you can have before an actual meal. So I'm gonna have a little zakuska now and start packing up. So how we do this is take a bite. Man, that's so good. Then you grab a little salt. Then you sprinkle it on. A little Chef Boyardee action. And then you take another bite. Random thing to eat when you're gold panning, but not random for me when I grew up on tomatoes and cucumbers. Sometimes I like to dip my cucumber in a bunch of salt, so then I can take a bigger bite. It'll taste just as good. Thank you guys so much for continuing to come back and watching my videos and liking them. If you guys are new, definitely don't sleep. You gotta hit that subscribe button to catch these videos. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, I just got home. I'm gonna empty this sniffer bottle to show you guys all the gold that I got today. Any more gold in here? That is all the gold that I found today. I am beyond stoked for this. It's pretty crazy that we even got this much gold. It goes to show that anything is possible, and we just gotta go out there, prospect, and find the gold. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.